Dear students, Assalamu alaikum to you all. Please, anyone, let me know, am I audible? My sound is clear to you all. Please, anyone, let me know.
Yes,
Hello.
sir.
So, do you have any question about the last exam and which you have given in the last week half yearly assessment? Do you have any question about it? Can we start the new topics?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So, dear students, actually, factorizations from the algebraic part is one of the most important topics for high school and college students, not only for the class 6, 7 students, but also 8, 9, 10, and upper class. The one of the most important topics is factorizations. So I think as a class 7 student, you can do middle term factor by using simple techniques. So inshallah, today we will discuss here three types of algebraic expression, how we can find their factors. So one of the most important formula we use to find the factors is number one, which is a square minus b square. And this is a plus b and a minus b. Okay, already we have applied this formula in so many times. Now, number two, do you know this formula like a cube plus b cube? There is also a factorization formula of a cube plus b cube. Is there anyone who can say this formula? Anyone? So this formula is a plus b and a square minus ab plus b square. This is the formula of a cube plus b cube. So now another formula in the same format, number three, a cube minus b cube. Please note down it properly. A minus b and a square plus ab plus b square. So this is the formula of a square minus b square, and there are two formula, a cube and b cube. One is for plus, another one is minus. In terms of plus, only all terms are positive except minus ab. In terms of minus, all terms are positive except a minus b. So by using this technique, you can memorize or apply this formula. So now, okay, now we will solve one maths by using this formula. Number one, 4x square minus minus 9. By which formula apply we can find the factors of this expression? Anyone, please let me know.
First formula.
First formula, and which is a square minus b square. So now, in the first line, what we can write here, anyone? This is considering twice x as a square, and 9 is a perfect square number. So here we can write 9 means 3 square. Now by using the formula of number 1, twice x plus 3 and twice x minus 3. So already we have done this types of math in so many times. Now the second question for you all. So if we do this one, number 2, like a cube minus a b square. Who can do this one? Number 2. Tasifa and Tasnia, Lanika, Monia. There is only 6 students connected with us. Who is absent here? I think Madiha, Tanya. Okay.
A minus a square minus b square.
A minus a square minus b square. So,
common নিয়ে a minus a square.
oh, which one we have to take common? Which factors?
A common নিলাম.
Yes. Okay, a is common here. So now a my a square minus b square. Now we have to apply here formula a plus b, and a minus b. So there are total three factors. There are total three factors. So now another maths we can do here. Now number three. Number three, a square plus b square plus 2ab minus c square. So this is time for Lanika. Can you hear me? Lanika Faris? Can you hear me, Lanika? Tasina. Tasina, unmute yourself and try to talk with me. How we can start this math? Tasina? Tasifa, is it possible?
A plus or minus B square.
Tasifa, loudly please. How we can find the factors of this expression? I'm not getting you sound, please. Monia, please try to.
A plus B whole square minus C square.
Oh, first three terms here we can apply formula, right? In first three terms, which formula? A
plus B whole square.
Yes, a plus b whole square. And in the last terms remaining same, a c square. Now we can apply the formula of a square minus b square. So considering a plus b as a and c is b, now a square minus b square will be a plus b. This is the first factor, and a minus b, and this is second factor. So now inside the second bracket you can do simplification, a plus b plus c and a plus b minus c, and there are total two factors. Okay, now next one, number 4, a square minus b square plus twice bc minus c square. How we can start this math? Anyone? Number 4.
So first the formula है A square minus
Last three terms or first three terms?
first three terms.
Okay,
Last three terms.
last
Minus B whole square.
okay, last three terms, but there is a minus before b square. So we have to take here minus common. So if we take here minus common, what will be the remaining terms? B square minus twice bc, and this is plus c square. Okay, second line. Do you have any question in second line?
No, sir.
Okay. Now, in the second part, we see here b minus c whole square formula. The format of b minus c whole square formula. Now we have to apply the formula of a square minus b square as like as number 3. So now a plus b. There are b minus c considering as b together. That's why we have to apply here first bracket. A minus b. Okay. Now final line. Inside the second bracket, do simplification. This is plus. So if we multiply b minus c by plus, there will be same expression. A minus b. Now multiply minus plus minus minus and minus minus plus. So this is the this 4 maths application of a square minus b square formula. Another math we will solve by using a square minus b square formula. So now this is the number 5. Now a square minus twice a plus 1 plus b square plus twice b plus 1. How we can start this math? Anyone?
The first three terms is the formula है.
First three terms, there will be one formula, and I think this symbol must be minus, otherwise it is not possible to use a square minus b square formula. Just two symbol we have to change here. Okay. So now in the first three terms here, we have to write a minus 1 whole square. Okay. A minus 1 whole square. But in the last three terms, there is a minus before the b square. So we have to take here minus common. B square minus twice b and plus 1. Do you have any question in second line?
No, sir.
Okay. Now, this is a minus 1 whole square minus, in the second part, we see here another formula is like as first one, b minus 1 whole square. Now, we can apply formula of a square minus b square. So, a square minus b square formula, if we apply here, this is a plus b, this is a plus b minus 1 consider as a b. So now a plus b, first factor, and second factor, this is a minus b minus 1 consider as b, a minus b. So now if we do simplification here, a minus 1 multiply by plus b minus 1, and here a minus 1 minus b minus minus plus 1. Again, we can do simplify here, a plus b minus 1 and minus 1, there is minus 2, and this is a minus b, and we can eliminate plus 1 and minus 1. So our answer is a minus b and a plus b minus 2. This is advanced factorization by using a square minus b square formula. So this is the last math by using a square minus b square formula. So now it's you time to answer. This is number 6, advanced maths, x to the power 4 plus x square y square plus y to the power 4. Is it possible? Anyone? Lanika, Tarsina, Tasifa, Monia, Rumaisa, is it possible? Tasifa, please, how we can start this math? Can you identify the technique?
No, sir.
No, sir. Tarsina, can you hear me? Why you are so silent? Okay, if we apply here x to the power 4, we can write here x square whole square. And y to the power 4, we can write here y square whole square. So now consider this one is A, this one is B, and this is done, this one is done. So what will be in the middle terms here? A square and B square. So middle term is twice AB, 2 times of AB. Now first write here 2 times of AB. This is the 2 from formula, and A from x square and B from y square. So now just see the second line properly. Now just cross check here, x to the power 4 and x square whole square means x to the power 4. Here we see 1 times of x square y square, but we wrote here 2 times of x square y square. So there is 1 times is greater than given expression. So we have to minus 1 times from 2 times. So if we simplify here 2x square y square minus x square y square, there will be x square y square. Just to set the formula of a plus b whole square, we have written here 2 times of x square y square. But to balance of the with given expression, we have to subtract 1 times. Now this is one of the most important line in this math. How we have to apply formula and rearrange the algebraic expression. So now first 3 terms here we have to apply formula. So anyone please say, by using 3 terms, which formula we can write?
A plus B whole square.
A plus B whole square. So here A is x square. A plus B. A is x square, B is y square. A plus B whole square. But x square, y square, here also we can write as x, y whole square. So now which formula we can apply? Which formula?
A square plus B square.
A square minus B square. Yes, formula number 1. A square minus B square. So right here, A square minus B square. That means right here, this is A. A plus B. Now this is A and now this is B. A minus B. So simplify inside the first x factors. X square plus y square plus xy and x square plus y square minus xy. This is one of the most important factorization, not only in class 7 standard, class 8, class 9, 10 also. So note down this math properly. If you have any question, please let me know. So this is all about factorization by using a square minus b square. We have done here total 6 maths. Now we will do few maths by using the formula of a cube plus b cube and a cube minus b cube. Can we start the next math? Please let me know.
Yes, sir.
Now,
Yes, sir.
by using the formula of a cube minus b cube. Okay, this is the formula here. Now, math number 7. This is x to the power 6 minus y to the power 6. X to the power 6 and y to the power 6. So, here 2 formula we have to apply. A square minus b square and a cube plus b cube, also a cube minus b cube. 3 formula we have to apply this math. Okay, step 1. Uh, x to the power 6 means x cube whole square, and y to the power 6 in the same format, y cube whole square. So here 3 multiplied to 3 to just 6 and 3 to just 6. Now which formula we can apply? Anyone? Which formula? A square minus b square. Consider this one is a. Inside this first bracket, this one is a, this one is b. A square minus b square. So now write here a plus b, a plus b, and a minus b. So now step 1, the application of a square minus b square formula is done. Now second step, here we can apply the formula of a cube plus b cube. Consider x as a, y as b. Now apply formula number 2. X plus y, x square minus xy plus y square. Now here you can apply the third formula, a square minus b square. Formula number 3. X minus y, x square plus xy plus y square. So there are total 4 factors. This is answer. We have applied 3 formula here, 1 maths including all formula. Please write down properly. Can we start the next math?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now math number 8. Number 8. Application of a cube plus b cube. Okay, how we can start this math? Lanika, why you are so silent? Am I audible to you or not? Lanika, Faris?
Yes, sir.
So why you are silent? Try to answer. No problem if you have do mistake. Please try to answer. Is it cubic number or not? 8 is perfect cubic number, perfect cube number. Here 8 can be written as 2 cube. 8 equal 2 cube. 27 equal 3 cube. So now we can write here, this is 2x whole cube. This is a. 2 cube means 8, x cube means x cube. Now 27y cube, here we can write 3y whole cube. Now this is the formula format, a cube plus b cube. Now which formula we can apply? Formula number 2, a cube plus b cube. So what we can write now? Anyone?
Plus
Yes.
3y.
Twice x plus 3y. Then
2x square
twice x whole square. Yes, twice x whole square
minus 3y
twice x multiply 3y. Yes, plus
3y square.
Yes, thank you so much. 3y whole square. So now there is another last line. Okay, twice x plus 3y twice x plus 3y. Now, Rumaisa, unmute yourself, please. Rumaisa, Madhya is absent, right? Okay. Monia,
Yes, sir.
okay. What we can write now? Simplification, this one. Twice x whole square means 4x square, right?
Sir.
If we do multiply here, what will be result?
X square minus 2x into 3y.
6xy. 3 to just 6xy plus 3 square means 9y square. So this is answer. The application of AQ plus BQ. Okay. Another math you will try to solve by using the formula of AQ plus BQ. Simple question, but you have to apply the technique here. Okay, number 9. Number 9, 2AQ. 2AQ plus 16BQ. Who can say how we can start second line? Is it possible? Tasifra, is it possible? Lanika, is it possible? Okay, 2 is not the cubic number and 16 is also not perfect cube number. So, you can take here 2 common. There is AQ, 2 is common and here 8BQ. First line complete. Now 8 is perfect cubic number. 2 AQ. First one is AQ. AQ. And here, I think we should write here AQ and 8B cube. Here we can write twice B whole cube. Now apply formula of AQ plus BQ. Is it okay to you all? Do you have any question, please? Do you have any question in second or third line? I'm not getting your sound. Please respond. Tasifa, is it okay?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So why you are so silent? Please, everyone, try to speak with me. Okay, now to here apply the formula AQ plus BQ. This is A plus twice B. Second bracket A square minus A times twice B plus twice B whole square. Now formula application done. Just do simplification. 2A plus twice B A square minus 2AB plus 4B square. So this is final answer. Now you will do one or two maths by using AQ minus BQ formula. Please note down this math properly. Number 9. Can we start next math?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, now number 10. Here 3 times of mm, 3 times of x minus 75 x cube. Is it possible? First of all, we see here x cube, but in the left side, left terms, there is no cubic expression. So now, I think in 75, here there is a 3 factors. 3 multiply 25. So if we take here 3 common, the remaining will be 25. If we take 25 common, there will be remaining 3. So now we can take here 3x common. There is 1. So if we take 3 common, the remaining 25. 25. From x cube, x is common. So remaining x square. Do you have any question in second line? Did you understand?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, now which formula we can apply? Which formula?
A square minus B square.
Yes, a square minus b square. Thank you so much. A square means 1 square. B square means 5x whole square. B square means 5x whole square. Now, 3 times of x, a plus b, and a minus b. And this is our answer. Okay, math number 11. Number 11. Here, 8a minus a p cube. Give attention in the expression and let me know how we can start it. Anyone, please?
We can take A common.
Yes, a is common. So 8 minus p cube. First line is complete. Second line, please.
A into 2 cube minus P cube.
Yes, 2 cube minus p cube. Now here we can apply formula a cube minus b cube. Thank you so much, Tasiba. 2 minus p and 2 square plus 2 times p and plus p square. Plus p square. So here a 2 minus p 4 plus twice p plus p square. Okay, this is answer. So now I am giving few maths to you as a homework and try to solve this math. Homework. Number 1, the application of a square minus b square. A square minus 2ab plus b square minus 1. A square minus a square minus b square, a square minus b square plus b square, a square minus b square twice ab twice AB minus twice B square. If we take here 2B common, there will be A and there will be B. So this is second, and number C, x to the power 4 plus x square plus 1. Okay. The here in TMS you can apply formula of A square minus B square. So now number two, application of A cube minus B cube, or A cube plus B cube, 64 x cube. Number A, 64 x cube minus 8 y cube. Number B, x cube minus 8 A minus B whole cube. Number C here, A minus B whole cube plus C cube. Number C, and few advanced math. Number 3, x square minus x whole square plus 3 times of x square minus x square minus x minus 40. This is one math. And math number B, x square minus x A plus 1 multiply A plus 2. So you can take pictures. So we have only 1 minute remaining to disconnect. Dear students, take pictures of the homework, and if possible, please try to submit in our messenger group, and hope to see you all in the next classes. Wish you all the best. Assalamu alaikum.